Well, it's good morning from Noosa. Bit of a change from Kerong, where we're staying overnight in the middle of sort of nowhere, to this. What do you think so far? Old voice of wisdom. What do you think of Noosa so far?
It's a bit like Cairns. Very busy.
Very busy.
Cafes everywhere.
Yeah.
Nice here at the mouth of the river. I don't think
nice
we'll stay too long
here.
though.
So far very busy.
It's only going to get busier.
We're going to have a bit more of a look around. This is the river mouth. Must be a doggy beach. There's lots of dogs there. So, Noosa main beach. Pretty busy for a winter's day, not many people swimming though. So, we're climbing up the headland in the national park.
At a rapid rate.
Noosa main beach. How come you look so small? Where are you? You keep disappearing from shot.
Well, that's because you're bigger than me. By a foot.
So what's your thoughts on Noosa?
Oh man, I could live here.
Really?
Yep. If I had the money.
Wow, this walk seems to be going forever. How much further did you say?
600 metres.
600, another 600. Yeah. Lucky we're young and fit.
I haven't got a winter jumper on.
Only 150 metres to go. Oh, I hope it's good when we get up here. Well, we made it.
Not much of a lookout, really.
It's natural, I guess. This is a national park, so they can't chop all the trees down. Very peaceful though. Now we've come down off the high track, down along the coastal walk and under the rock platform. Absolutely beautiful. The water's crystal clear, beautiful warm day. Trying to decide whether we should stay an extra night now, since we've discovered the place. What do you think of Noosa?
I want to live here. Pack up our stuff and move to Noosa. Beautiful. Best yet.
We could live in the caravan. Might be able to afford to do that.
On the side of the road.
We then drove up to the higher lookout. It's a much better view from up there. So we left Karoi this morning, headed to Childers. This is the Childers RV stopover, a free camp. We've stayed here 3 or 4 times before, and usually you just drive in there and there's maybe half a dozen vans. But if you needed any proof that it was busy on the road, this is it. So the grassed area is just chock-a-block. So you can't get in there. Everybody's parked out on the road. Oh, somebody's pulled out there now, so there is one spot there. Anyway, we get close together, we are crammed in there. Might as well go to a caravan park. And this is the other section. Asphalt over here. There's water, a dump point. Spot to charge your electric car if you want to do that. For this area over here too is usually only half full, but today it's chock-a-block. We like stopping at Childers, nice little town. It's got a very good op shop apparently, so that's where Vic is at the minute. Oh, there's a spot. So when she finishes up there, we'll just decide whether we want to stay or go. It's good down here. We're only 1 street back from the main street, which is there. Got the RSL club there. Another op shop. The Childers Festival's on this weekend, so they start closing down this car park. One sign says Friday the 23rd and the other sign says Tuesday the 20th, which is today. We'll just have to wait and see if anybody comes around and tell us to move on. If that happens, then we'll go to Bundaberg. But for now, we're gonna settle down in the Childers RV spot. So as it turns out, Childers this weekend has a Childers festival. So that's why everything was so busy, and the car park was being closed down at 2 o'clock today, so we decided to move on. So we've moved on to the Wyper Scout Camp, just south of Bundaberg. And at the Wyper Scout Camp is my young brother Ross and his partner Jackie. So we set up camp. Fire's just started going, so we'll spend a couple of days here. So this is the Wyper Scout Camp, Bundaberg in the daytime. You can see there's plenty of room. Nice grassy area. Camp kitchen to see. There's a very basic amenities block. You can have 3 showers, hot water, and 2 toilets. So obviously you're best to be self-contained. $10 a night. You can borrow fire pits, and you can scavenge for firewood. There's a bit of traffic noise because it's not that far from the highway. But for $10 a night and all this space, can't complain. So we just stopped off at this park on the way into Bundaberg, the Hinkler Lions Tourist Park, free camp. It's just after 3 o'clock in the afternoon and there are 5 spots left. It's got toilets, it's got a dump point, potable water. I think you can stay 48 hours. I'm not sure. It doesn't say on the, oh yeah, 24 hours you can stay. Just over there is the highway, and beyond the highway is the main airport. So I guess as a last resort you could use it, but yeah, we haven't yet. I just thought I'd show you what it looked like. So what's this? Hey.
A waterhole, Jim.
A water. A bit more specific.
Wyper Park Scout Camp. And this is the waterhole.
How'd we get here?
Drove. And then we walked.
So there's a track from the campground down here. This is the waterhole. Supposed to be a swimming hole.
I wouldn't swim in it, but...
Yeah. The dog's just been swimming in it, it's all turned up. Very peaceful down here.
Good if you're a frog.
A frog.
Or a tadpole.
So we're looking for another track that takes us down to the river. Hopefully this starts going down soon. Montana's sharp. So this track just kept going up and we kept following it. So we got a nice view of the river. Keep following it and see where it goes. Made it.
Street sign. Marion Vale, Rockhampton.
Very nice. Yeah, good idea coming down here. Now I gotta climb back up. Yeah. Nearly halfway up.
Yeah. We can go that way or we can go straight up there.
It's been a couple of years since we were here and our stocks were getting low. Have to go and see how much damage she does this year. Oh, what a surprise. She's blown the budget again. Next on the list is the Bundaberg Ginger Beer Factory. It's called the Barrel. So this is a taste testing. Get to taste a dozen or so different drinks and they give you a 6-pack each to take away. $15 a head for adults.
So what I also put up here is if there's anything that you drink and you don't enjoy it, you can pop it in here. Just to
We are at the hummock, which is in Bundaberg. It's an extinct volcano. Looking out to the far left is the beautiful little town of Bagara. Trendy little spot, and sort of straight out in front we're looking at Hinkler Heads, which is quite a windy spot. Beautiful land here, lots of zucchinis and strawberries.
That's the Bundy factory over there where you can see the smoke there. That's Bundaberg, that direction. Obviously a popular little spot.
Oh, there's the Bundy factory there, look.
Yeah. I think it's the only hill in Bundaberg, so that's why it's so popular. We somehow jagged a site at Bagara Caravan Park for 2 nights from tomorrow, so we're heading off there tomorrow. So we'll see you then. Bye. Say bye, Vic, even though you're not around.